Leg workout, gaining series. Dynamic movements before starting the workout. Do this stretch to open up your hips. Always start with the empty bar. Keep check on your form and posture. Keep your core tight and take deep breath before going down. Breathe out when you go up. Take 3 to 4 warm-up sets with light weights, just to get ready for the working sets. Flexing my calves muscles. 110 kilograms bar load, working set. Choose the weight according to your strength and perform 6 to 8 reps for 3 sets. Going light today as just came back from injury. Remember, if you are not going deep enough, it doesn't count. Hack squat. 3 working sets of 10 to 12 reps. Last working set, 70 kilogram. Your quads will be burning if you do it with proper range of motion. Lying leg curl. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Best isolation movement for hamstrings. Take drop set in the last set. Machine hip thrust. 3 working sets of 10 to 12 reps. Give it a proper squeeze at the top and control the movement. Seated calf raises. 3 sets of 20 reps. Go lighter here and focus on mind-muscle connection. Don't forget to perform static stretches after your workout. Here are some examples you can perform. Thank you. Leave a comment below. Share. Like. To watch more, subscribe. Stay strong.